Do you guys eat balut? Because when we buy balut here, bumibili rin kami ng penoy. Like balut penoy. I think they're always together or meron nagtitinda ng balut lang. I don't know. Pero how do you differentiate the penoy from the balut? I don't know if it's like a standard thing to do to separate them. But the penoy has the line at the middle. And yung balut, wala siyang anything. Now, let's try the balut. You know, there's like the pointed part. I don't know how you call this, but it's like the pointed part. This is where you crack it. Then I'm gonna put some salt. Just a bit of salt. And then there's a soup inside. We're sipping the soup inside. It's good. Let's remove the shell completely. Okay. I don't know, but the duck looks big. There's the white hard part. I don't eat that white part. It's so hard. This is the duck, and you can see the beak. Oh my gosh. I don't think I could eat that because it's too big. Or should I just remove the beak and then eat it? Okay, I'm gonna eat this with a pinch of salt. Okay. I'm sorry, little duck. The yellow part is the most special part of the balut. Put some salt again. And I'm gonna dip it in the vinegar. It's good. The vinegar and the salt makes it better.